have a very simple mission: empowering African creatives through connection, community, and design-led problem solving.
As I mentioned, storytelling is also another way to translate African knowledge and intelligence as well.
As Africans, we've been sort of participants in the global landscape of culture, whereas now we're exporting it. We're actually creating it.
And the truth is, you can only do work as good as what you consume.
The sad thing is, over here, we don't really believe in process. We are all about the outcome.
For Africa to actually go to the next point, we have to be intentional. That's why dEX is happening.
Is if you don't upskill yourself, if you don't learn how to use the tools, you don't learn how to implement it into your work, you're going to get left behind.
Technology is already affecting the way we work. The question is, what work do we want to do and how are we going to grab the hold again?
African design is also down to two other factors which are not usually talked about: the processes, right? And then the African designer themselves. Just by virtue of the fact that you are African, that means you bring a certain perspective that nobody else can bring to it. And this is the same for all of us in this room.
Having said that, it's very important that we know Africa. What do we mean when we say African design? When we say African designers, Ghanaian design. So it's very important that we research.
So I believe that we always talk about, design, and we are always thinking outside of the box. The box is right here with us. Your culture, your heritage, and your language is everything when it comes to African design.
You may have a solid product that you want to put across, but if you don't tell the story well and professionally, you find yourself backed up in the corner.
I think the over-reliance on AI platforms is becoming a big problem within the industry.
We want to have AI integrated into the Ghanaian system, then we have to first of all check how we ethically use it, so that, if it's a way of cutting costs so that, the country is broke, we don't spend 40 billion on a holiday graphic.
From the get-go, appreciation of art is an appreciation of the human existence. So touching grass makes you peculiar, it makes you individual, it makes you different from the next person, because no matter what, even if you live in the same apartment building, your views are different. And that is what you bring forward in your work.